Hello, my dear students. First of all, I welcome you all in your English online class. Today, we will read a new chapter, chapter 2, Oscar Penguin's New Penguin Suit. Children, have you seen penguins? First of all, let's learn something interesting facts about penguins. Penguins are seabirds. They use their wings to fly underwater, but they cannot fly in the air. इनके जो विंग्स हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लिपर. इनका यूज़ वो क्या करते हैं, पानी के अंदर फ्लाई करने के लिए करते हैं, बट ये एयर में जैसे रियल बर्ड्स फ्लाई करते हैं उस तरीके से ये फ्लाई नहीं कर सकते. Penguins lay their eggs and raise their babies on land. Penguins live only in southern hemisphere of the world like Antarctica, New Zealand, southern Australia, South Africa and South America. Penguins ज़मीन पर अपने पैरों की हेल्प से चलते हैं और बर्फ पर अपने पेट की सहायता से, पेट की हेल्प से फिसलते हैं. पेंगुइन एक बर्ड है पर ये उड़ता नहीं है. इनका फेवरेट फूड फिश होता है. ये पानी के अंदर 10 से 15 मिनट तक बिना सांस लिए रह सकते हैं. और ये पानी के अंदर सांस नहीं ले सकते बट रोक के रह सकते हैं. ये अपना ज़्यादातर लाइफ पानी के अंदर ही स्पेंड करते हैं, लेकिन अंडे देने के लिए ये बाहर इन्हें लैंड पर आना पड़ता है. ओके, नाउ हियर इन दिस चैप्टर लेट्स सी what penguins do. Now read this story to find out if Oscar Penguin could get new suit for himself. So let's start. Oscar Penguin loved to eat candy, cookies and jelly beans. Oscar, you must stop eating only candy, cookies, and jelly beans, said his mom one afternoon. Oscar's mom does not want him to eat junk food like candy, cookies, and jelly beans. It is not good for health, and I know even your mom does not want that you eat so much junk food. Okay, so Oscar love to eat candy, okay, and junk food. So Oscar Penguin then went into his bedroom, closed. Okay mom, said Oscar Penguin. ऑस्कर पेंगुइन ने कहा ओके मॉम. ऑस्कर पेंगुइन then went into his bedroom, closed the door and ate a large bag of jelly beans. I really love jelly beans, smiled Oscar. It is not good to telling a lie to your mom and eat junk food. यहाँ ये क्या करते हैं, जा कर के ऑस्कर अपने रूम को क्लोज करते हैं और खूब सारी अपनी फेवरेट फूड यानी कि जेली बीन्स को खूब खा लेते हैं. बड़ा बैग भर के वो जेली बीन्स को खा लेते हैं. एट डिनर दैट नाइट ऑस्कर was not hungry. He ate two peas, two string beans, and one olive. It is not really a good habit. है ना, पेट भर के आपने जली बीन्स खाया है तो खाना कहाँ से खाओगे, आपका पेट तो पहले से भर गया है ना. देन one day Oscar Penguin got a big surprise. Oscar needed a new penguin suit. क्यों? Why? Because he became so fat. Why it is so? Because he ate too much junk food. Oscar was very upset. He called out, Mom, what am I going to do? None of the penguin suits fit me. What am I going to wear? Oscar was sad. He did not know what to do. That's why he asked this question to his mom. Mom is going to give him a better idea. Let's see what she say. Oscar's mom smiled, saying, Oscar, let's go home and talk. I know what you can do to fit into a new penguin suit. Whenever you also in some problem, obviously your mom support you and help you to solve that problem. Here also Oscar's problem is going to be solved by his mom. When he got sorry when they got home, Oscar's mom said in a gentle voice, Oscar, there are three things you can do to solve your problem. As Oscar was really sad and wanted to solve his problem, anyhow, he happily responded to his mother, Yes, mom, tell me. I want to solve my problem and I know you can help me in this. He was very curious to know what his mom is going to say. You can stop eating junk food and sweets. You can start eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals, chickens, and fish. Oscar's mom given to him this idea. She suggested him to eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, cereal, chicken, and fish. In this way, he can reduce his fat and very easily he become thin. And you can begin doing a bit of jiggle jogging each day. Sure, mom, I can do those three things, smiled Oscar, and he did. Here, his mom is suggesting Oscar to do exercise and jogging, which can help him become thin. Oscar liked the suggestion of his mom and he got ready to do what his mom advised him. Oscar Penguin ate healthy foods, jiggle jogged each day, became healthy and strong and got a brand new penguin suit. He did the exercise and jogging, he ran, he jumped, and he became healthy, strong, and at last he got a brand new penguin suit. So, here we got the lesson from penguin's life that if we decide to do something and if we do properly, we will surely succeed. मीन्स अगर हम कुछ करना चाह रहे हैं और हमने पक्का इरादा कर लिया है तो हम श्योरली सक्सेस को पा जाएंगे, हम पक्का सफल होंगे. Now come to the summary of the lesson. Summary is the whole story in short. So let's see the summary of the lesson. The name of the penguin was Oscar. Why? Because mom called us Oscar. Oscar was very cute, but he loved to eat candy, cookies, and jelly beans. Those are junk foods and unhealthy also. We should avoid these types of foods. It's not good for our body. Oscar's mom told him not to eat these foods, but still he ate them without letting to know his mom, which he does wrong. So students, we should always listen to our mom. Oscar did not want to eat any healthy foods like green vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. We should eat green leafy vegetables. It gives our body strength and keep us fit. Then one day Oscar Penguin got a big surprise. He needed a new penguin suit. He was very happy because he was going with his mother to get a new penguin suit for himself. Children, you also become very happy when you are going with your parents to pick up new clothes, new dresses for yourself, no? But surprisingly, in the store, Oscar could not get any suit for himself. Why? As he was very fat. So Oscar became very sad. Seeing her son Oscar so sad, his mom told him not to be sad. He can become thin if he listened to his mother's advice. His mother told him to eat healthy foods like vegetables, chickens, and fish, and stop eating junk foods like chocolates, cookies, and jelly beans. He obeyed her. Very soon he became thin and he got his new suit for himself. Hip hip, hooray! So, children, you have seen how dangerous it is to eat junk food. If you want to be healthy, eat healthy foods like green vegetables and fruits and do exercises daily. I hope you liked the video. So keep on watching. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And keep on eating green leafy vegetables.